doing a quick little video for you today on just a nice little cold treat for your dogs during the spring and summertime. It's also very healthy. So we'll go over each one through the video, what the benefits of them are. But what you'll need is ginger, just a slice of sweet potato, about a cup of mushrooms, just 1 scoop of butter, and some turmeric. So what we're going to do now is get everything chopped up. Guys, so I went ahead and we got us a little bit of ginger here. Got that shaved off. Got us a sweet potato, which I microwaved for just a little bit. Well, it's a little bit mushy already. We're going to start with sauteing the mushrooms, and we'll throw that in. Now, guys, with the mushrooms, a lot of people, the misconception is that, aren't mushrooms poisonous for dogs? No, if we can eat them, the dogs can eat them. If they're poisonous for us, then they're poisonous for the dogs, okay? And again, what you're going to find with these treats is, again, they love them, but they're also very nutritional. Health benefits of mushrooms for our pets: they support liver, kidney function, improve skin and coat, help prevent viral infections, along with fighting cancers and just improving overall health. So now let's go ahead and get to sauteing this. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and got the butter in there and just tossed in the mushrooms. We're going to get these sauteing. And now, and again, guys, 1 little scoop of butter is not going to hurt your dogs at all. Now what we're going to do is add in our sweet potato and our ginger, okay? Which this is a 1/2 cup, but actually you see it's about 1/4 of a cup, and then just some shavings of the ginger. And guys, the sweet potato, great for the digestive tract, high in dietary fiber. It contains vitamin B6, vitamin C, and manganese. So we know a lot of raw diets, even kibble diets, can be low, deficient in the manganese. So sweet potato is great to add into any diet. The ginger, very powerful anti-inflammatory, has antioxidant effects. So again, just another plus. And then we'll be adding in some turmeric, which just has hundreds of, potential benefits. So now we'll let this just keep on sauteing. Guys, and now that this has all been sauteing and we've pulled a little bit of that flavor out of the mushrooms, what I'm going to do is turn this off, and I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Now I'm going to give just a splash of some of this turmeric. Not too much. There we go. Swirl this around. Pan's still hot, so it's going to kind of cook everything a little bit. And so what we're going to do now is let this sit for just a minute, and then we're going to blend it up. Okay, guys, so I took our mixture that we sauteed and blended it up in this. I got this off eBay for like 18 bucks, and it does the job. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make ice cubes. I'm trying to film and pour this at the same time, so forgive me if it's not perfect. It smells really good. Okay, so now, guys, what I'm going to do is take this, and you can also just take this, let it cool off, pour it in a little bowl for your, dog to just kind of, they'll eat it, they'll drink it right up. But again, these ice cubes are what they really love. So now we're going to put it in the freezer. So now we have the frozen treats, and we're going to break these up. And now they are ready to serve. That's our 13-week-old puppy, Atlas. And as you can see, they are puppy approved. Says that is yummy. He's already had one. Again, guys, really good. They're cool for them on a hot day, and they're very nutritious. That's yummy, huh, buddy? That's yummy. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please hit like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll be posting a lot more videos this summer on do-it-yourself treats for your dogs. That's gonna, stick with the kind of raw and just nutritional theme. We'll be releasing more videos on raw. We're gonna, continue with health education and the newest studies as far as, vaccinations, spaying, neutering. So we got some good stuff we'll be releasing. Again, so if you did like what you see and you like our other videos, don't forget to subscribe. All right, bye.